How do you feel a sneeze?
Oh,
For me, it starts down here and it like climbs up.
I
And it
feel
goes,
them like my fucking brain, and then they crawl forward and out.
oh, it's back here and up.
Yeah, I
No,
hate it when
mine
they
goes
get like.
up here.
Sometimes they get stuck like right about here, and it just like,
Okay.
and you can feel it in the eyeballs.
Weird. No, mine's always just this area. I'm blocking it all right here.
I didn't know that that was a different thing, that people could feel sneezes in different areas.
What you know about brain freezes? I don't get brain freezes.
You don't get them ever?
It happens here
Oh
instead.
yeah, I hate that feeling.
Yeah,
That's
my throat hurts. And then my dad and my aunt, they feel it down their spine instead.
what?
Yeah. There's the only two people I know that do that.